Okurigirira mugambirizi wa polisi abo cyange cya Kigezi Mateo kutendekwa kwa polisi kukozirwe hansi y'enteekateeka yo kuretaho obusingye no kurinda abantu n'ebintu byabo ombwire bw'akaruru.
Abasirikare tubihira mu region yona obwe turi kugendera hamuramwa gwa Uganda Police kugira ngo tutraining abantu bitu kugira ngo nibabasa kukwasaganya obwire bw'Oburuuru habaho ebyetengo na munonga aba bantu bane benda kureta kashashamaru kugira ngo twabakwasa tuta ebikwato ninge mundu ninga za tear gas twaza tuta
Matena agira ngo kwetebekanisa kwa polisi tishemerere kutinisa omuntu wena kandi obwahati nashaba buri omwe kukora ekyashemerere kukora kwenda kureta obusingye.
Nimbashabe cyo kubanza batareba training etukora bakatina bakamanyangu twine kitutagetinga ingaha chonga kandi no manyangu ebigambo byo kwerinda nibitandikana buri omwe kureba ngo yarubatiro mateka omuzano gutukuzamwe bw'Oburuuru gwina mateka go kugulema agakugulema omuzano.
Matena ashobora ngunga polisi nibamanya ngo hariho ebyanga bitari bimwe na bimwe birikumanywa nk'ebiri kubasa kuba muhovuyo kandi bonka polisi betebekanisize ebyanga nk'ebi.
Abantu tukore emirimo yitu titukurebera mu bibina titukurebera mu dini titukurebera mu nganda niturebera abantu ikikuru n'abantu n'obuteka law and order. Abantu bane bakuratera amateka ni haba hariho obuteka habaho aba batahurira aba bakwenda kutwara twarwabusha nitubahandoringa ng'abantu titukubarebera mu bibina n'ingagi.
Obeira kurigire kutendeka oku Innocent Mbonye byombi nagira ngu ekikorwa ekigenzere kurungi kandi kibeire nikyetengwa.
Yesterday the whole day I took them through range exercise, that is shooting, and all of them shot very well. Nobody got a washout. All of them. The other ranks were taken through AK-47 and all the officers went through pistol drills and shooting, of which all of them performed very well.
Omudumizi wa polisi wa Kigezi Senior Superintendent of Police Alex Wabwire nayenda ngo abantu babutosha koragana na polisi kandi nawe nagira ngo okutendekwa oku kubeire nikwetengwa.
When they see a police officer, for them what comes to their mind, they are seeing somebody that is ready to take a police bond, is ready to tear gas them, ready to kill. No. We are professional and we do things according to law. All those officers that you find misbehaving, going against the constitution, are not trained by police to be that. No. They are themselves.
Arukugamba ko mjenyu mukuru ha mukoro gwo kumara kutendekwa omujwekerwa wo mwebembezi w'ihango mu district ya Kabale Godfrey Katamba ashabera abapolisi okurebeka ngo bataho mu nkore bayegesubwa kandi bakorena n'amazima.
Here, officers and men, I urge you to be heroes in your service career, and a hero is someone who gives his or her life something bigger than oneself. And that is duty.
Katamba yagira ngo kutendekwa kw'abapolisi nemwahandagano yakozwe omwebembezi w'ihanga n'abanya-Uganda okurebeka ngo polisi bayongezebwa obukugu omukurinda abantu na n'ebintu byabo.
Of course, page 91, there I want to inform you that what the police now is doing is in fulfillment of what the social contract President Museveni signed with you, the locals, about enhancing the capacity of police. Originally they had only 3,000 personnel, but now in that manifesto of 2021-26 promised to have the force elevated to a level of 46,000.
agagasha kwa Jime Emmanuel ntabwo atayari West muri Kabale.